Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from My Style Spa, and today I'm here to talk about one of my favorite things, hair. So many of you have probably heard of keratin, and if you haven't, keratin is an amazing protein that really helps build strong hair. So your hair can withstand damage, environmental damage, everyday styling, heat tools, just an amazing protein they found that really works great for hair. So I've recently tried some amazing products that use keratin, and it is called Kerotin. And these hair products are fabulous. They have worked serious miracles for my hair. They work great for any hair types out there, but they're especially great for dry, damaged hair, hair that's prone to frizz, split ends, anything like that. And my hair is super dry. And this time of year, with the winter and the cold, my hair gets even drier. I tend to use heat tools more this time of year. So I'm causing a little bit more damage on my hair than normal, and this has just been a huge lifesaver for me. So I'm so excited to share with you guys because I think you'll have some amazing results just like I have. So Kerotin has an array of amazing products, and I'm going to review a few of them. I've been trying out several of them over the last 3 weeks. And the first one is the Kerotin Hair Growth Vitamins. This is an amazing vitamin that you can take twice a day, one morning, one night. It's an easy supplement, as you can see here, to take. It goes down nice and easily. But this is going to really help strengthen and improve your hair from the inside out, which we all know is important. Diet is very important. A lot of us are not getting, the nutrients and vitamins and stuff that we need to help grow our hair. For me, I'm a vegetarian. I'm actually vegan now. I've just made the transition, which has been huge. For many years, I just didn't eat meat because I didn't like it. And my hairdresser would always tell me, your hair is just really weak and brittle. Eat more protein. And so for me, that was always hard. But this is a really great supplement for anyone, no matter what your diet. They use only natural ingredients, so you can be sure that it's safe for your hair and body. It has all of the nutrients that you need to grow hair stronger and longer and faster than you're going to get with other supplements on the market. In 3 weeks, my hair is already feeling stronger. Like, I do the elasticity test where you pull on a hair and it should bounce and hopefully not break. And for me, in the past, a lot of my hair would break and I'd have a lot of split ends. But I've noticed that my hair has been stronger since using it. So that is amazing for me. Especially in the shower, I'm getting less hair pulled out when I wash it. So that's been a big difference for me. But usually most of you will notice within 4 weeks if you're having great results. So be sure to check it out. I'm absolutely loving it. Cannot wait to continue using it. This is a 1-month supply. You can find that on their site. Next up is the awesome shampoo and conditioner. And this is an amazing line. There's no parabens, no harmful chemicals. These are just great ingredients for your hair. And it absolutely smells amazing. All keratin products are cruelty-free as well, so I love that, of course, being vegan. It is infused with keratin, obviously, to protect hair from the outside in. It's going to protect it from pollutants, environmental damage, and of course, like your heat tools, if you love them like I do. It's going to help restore hair. It's going to help grow it better as well. And just amazing, you guys. I absolutely love this. It's really deeply hydrating and nourishing. I've really noticed a big difference there with my hair. It just feels so much softer and smoother, and it's got a nice shine to it that doesn't always have. My hair tends to be more on the dull side where it's dry, but I can tell a big difference just from running my hair through it. It just feels softer and smoother, and I have loved, loved, loved that. So the shampoo is just amazing. Really goes on smoothly. It also works as a thermal protectant for your hair, which I didn't know, so that's really cool. Love that about it. The conditioner also has coconut oil, so you know it's just super moisturizing. Really feels amazing on the hair. Just rich and creamy. I absolutely love how it feels on my hair. All keratin products are safe for any hair type, including color-treated or chemically treated hair as well. Last but not least is the Kerotin Argan Oil. And you can use this a couple different ways. The directions on the bottle say you can use it as kind of a hot oil treatment. So heat up a hot towel, put it on your head after you apply a dime size of this to your hair, and just leave it on for 30 minutes before you shampoo. So I've tried that a couple times. Love that, that's been amazing. Another way is for those of us with really dry hair, after you use the shampoo and conditioner, you're gonna wanna use this as a leave-in conditioner and just run it through your hair after your shower. As you can see, the argan oil is just really enriching. It's gonna also stimulate growth as well. It makes hair smell amazing. I love how my hair smells after using it. It's gonna help combat dry hair and really great for split ends if you wanna focus on the ends especially. I also focus my conditioner on the split ends in the shower. It's been really great for helping that and just leaving my hair feeling so much more nourished. It's really great at reducing frizz and flyaways as well, so really awesome if you're battling humidity or you just have frizzy hair this time of year like I tend to. Really great for repairing dry, damaged hair. I just absolutely love using it. This is such a great product. I've been so excited using this awesome line. The Kerotin line has just been amazing. My hair just overall looks better, feels better, smells better, and it's stronger. I can definitely tell it's stronger, less damaged. The split ends are looking better. I do desperately need a haircut. But just overall, it's been really amazing for my hair. So if you want to check them out, be sure to check them out at kerotin.com. As you can see, Kerotin. And I know you guys are going to love it. I know that you're just going to be a huge fan of it like I am. I cannot wait to continue using it for even more and better results, stronger, healthier, shinier hair. Love it. So be sure to check them out. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for free content each week. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.